Struggling with arthritis? Check out these 15 foods you should avoid to help manage your symptoms. Added sugars boost inflammation and joint pain. Gluten may trigger inflammation, especially if you have celiac disease. Highly processed foods loaded with sugars and unhealthy fats. Red and processed meats high in inflammatory saturated fats. Fatty foods omega-6 fats worsen inflammation. Balance with omega-3 from fish. Alcohol can increase inflammation and worsen symptoms. Salty foods high sodium may exacerbate inflammation. Nightshades some find them inflammatory due to solanine. Dairy contains casein, which may cause inflammation for some. Foods high in AGs can increase oxidative stress and inflammation. Sodas and sweetened drinks raise risk of arthritis and weaken bones. Coffee mixed effects may help some, worsen others. Canned and fried foods high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Refined carbs increase inflammation and blood sugar levels. Foods high in purines can trigger gout attacks. Tip: focus on anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and boswellia to ease your symptoms.